Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Airiel bin AZHAR. My metric number is 22DAG19F1058. Okay. I am from DAG3C. Today I'm gonna share with all of you about crop-livestock integration. Okay, I want to explain what is crop-livestock integration. Okay, which is this form of integration involves strategy planning among crop and livestock farmers to match supply and demand for feedstuff through adapt crop rotation, including grasslands, forage crop, and cover crops that produce forage. Okay, now I will explain about the advantage of crop livestock integration. Okay, the first is increase farm biodiversity. Okay, what is biodiversity? Okay, I will explain. Biodiversity is the variation of life on Earth is essential to healthy ecosystem and serve as nature's own system of checks and balance. This method don't just kill native species and harm local ecosystem. Next, they make conventional farm extremely vulnerable to new pests and disease that may emerge as a consequence of global warming. All it takes is one strong tree to wipe out an entire planting of a single crop if no other species or system is present to curb the damage. Okay, regenerative organic farming, by contrast, encourage biodiversity. A rich mix of microorganisms, plants, and animals on the farm creates healthy soil, strong crops, and resilient natural system. But resilient natural system that don't require chemical invention to manage pests and disease. Okay, next, the disadvantage of crop livestock integration. Okay, I will explain. The disadvantage of crop livestock integration is that a farmer will need more resources such as tool and equipment to care for livestock and crop simultaneously than a farmer involved in such an endeavor. Also, additional education is usually required to provide the background need to enable farmers to maintain crop farm. If you do not have knowledge of crops livestock integration, this will cause the management of the farm will not be managed and in turn livestock and crops will die. Okay, the lastly is conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, integrated crop livestock management is a type of mixed farming that can exist in various forms and scales depending on external and internal factors. Okay. External factors can include climate, weather, soil condition, market price, and policy stability. And other than that, while external factors may include land access, availability of equipment, farm economic structure, and intelligence, bring benefit to farmer and the environment. By considering the unification of this approach, we can understand how to optimize these flows and service to reduce flow of inputs, the use of natural resources, emission to the environment, atmosphere, land, and water, and to increase agriculture yields useful Finally, this is probably the most important principle to achieve increased production in meat system, along with the realization that plant and animals have many functions.